Today, we're taking a detailed look at Builders Engineering College, which is located in Kangeyam in the Tiruppur district. Now, if you're getting ready for TNEA counseling, the code you'll need for this college is 2656. So let's dive in and see what this institution is all about.
When you're making a huge decision like this, you have to know what to look for, right? So, what are the real signs of a quality engineering college? Let's keep that question in mind as we go through the details of this institution.
First up, and this is a big one, is accreditation. Builders Engineering College has 5 of its core engineering programs accredited by the National Board of Accreditation. That's a really important stamp of approval, and it tells you that these programs meet very strict national quality standards.
And the second major sign of quality? It's an autonomous institution. You see, while it is affiliated to ANA University, being autonomous gives the college the freedom to design its own syllabus. This means they can update their courses faster to keep up with what the industry actually needs. Okay, so with those 2 key points in mind, let's get into the specifics. We'll start with the official facts and the accreditations that really build the foundation of this college's quality.
Now, have a look at this. The key thing here is the consistency. All 5 of the college's core branches, civil, computer science, ECE, EEE, and mechanical, are NBA Tier 2 accredited. And, very importantly, this accreditation is valid all the way until June 2027. That gives you, as a student joining now, some real stability and assurance about the quality of your degree.
And it's not just about individual departments. The institution as a whole was evaluated by NOC back in 2022 and was awarded a B++ grade. This gives you a much broader picture of the college's commitment to quality across the board.
So, where did this college come from? Understanding an institution's history can tell you a lot about its core values and who it really aims to serve.
Let's get the basics down. The full name is Builders Engineering College. It was established back in 2009 by the Erode Builder Educational Trust, or EBET. As we said, it's in Kangeyam, and admissions are through TNEA, with a standard 65% government quota and 35% management quota seats.
You know, the founding trust had a very clear mission. It wasn't just to start a college, it was to create skilled graduates who could make a real impact on society. A huge part of that vision was to make top-notch technical education available to students from the rural areas in that region.
All right, now for what you've probably been waiting for. What can you actually study here? Let's look at the engineering programs available for the 2026 admissions.
So here is the complete list. You've got those 5 core NBA-accredited branches we talked about: civil, CSC, ECE, EEE, and mechanical. But right alongside them, you'll see several newer branches that are in very high demand right now. This really shows that the college is keeping its finger on the pulse of the industry. They've brought in new age programs like AI and data science, which, as you know, is where so many of the new jobs are. And they're doubling down on that modern approach with specializations in other high-growth fields, like cybersecurity and machine learning. These courses offer a pretty direct path to the kinds of jobs that are shaping the future. Okay, let's talk about the bottom line, the return on investment. This is about placements, salaries, and the companies that come to hire from this campus. According to the college's own data, the placement percentage for the 2025 batch is a very strong 95.4%. This is a number that parents and students rightly focus on, and it really says a lot about how well the graduates are prepared for the job market.
And what's the potential for top performers? Well, the highest package went up to 12 lakhs per annum. This shows you the kind of success that dedicated students from this college can achieve.
Now, for a more realistic baseline, the average salary package is reported at 4 lakhs per annum. This is a solid, practical number that gives a fair expectation for the majority of students who graduate from here.
You can tell a lot about a college by the companies that visit for recruitment. And as you can see, the list here includes some pretty well-known names like Infosys, MRF, ADP, and Tessolve Semiconductor, showing good industry connections across both IT and core sectors.
Now, academics and jobs are crucial, but college is more than that. So what's it actually like to live and study on this campus? Let's take a look at the facilities. First off, the college is set on a pretty spacious 31.27-acre campus. That means there's plenty of room for all the academic blocks, labs, and other student activities. For students who will be staying on campus, this is key. The college has separate hostels for boys and girls, and the mess serves both vegetarian and non-vegetarian options. They also run a fleet of 18 buses. For health and safety, there's an on-campus dispensary with an ambulance,
And it's nice to see a focus on sustainability with a 200-kilowatt solar power plant. A good college provides more than just classroom lectures. It offers chances to innovate and achieve. So let's see what opportunities are available here beyond the regular curriculum.
Now, this is a really interesting point. The campus has an AICTE-approved IDEA Lab. And this isn't just another lab. It's a space designed for students to work on their own ideas, develop actual products, and get that crucial hands-on experience in solving real-world challenges.
Just so you know, all this information is based on what's available on the college's official website and trusted government portals at the time we prepared this. I hope this gave you a clear picture of Builders Engineering College. Explore more engineering colleges at profsam.com, your true source for 12th to engineering decisions.